Hello everyone, I am Teacher Po. I teach English reading for grade 11, and today's topic is a passage entitled The Wisdom of the World. Wisdom แปลว่าคติพจน์คำสั่งสอนหรือสุภาษิตค่ะ Today you are going to listen to the audio and read the passage at the same time. Then we will check our comprehension about the passage.and review the vocabulary that we have learned. Are you ready? Let's go.
Unit 10, Part 1. The Wisdom of the World.
Most cultures have old sayings that reveal a lot about the values of that society. Even though each culture has its own unique way of expressing these values, sometimes the basic message is similar.
Value knowledge and learning.
Your head is your house. Furnish it is an Arab saying that emphasizes the importance of learning and knowledge. A Haitian saying warns what might happen if you don't follow that advice. Ignorance doesn't kill you, but it makes you sweat a lot.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Many sayings suggest that we can learn from our mistakes. The English saying, "A stumble may prevent a fall," is similar to the Chinese expression, "A fall into a ditch makes you wiser." Another Chinese saying says we should not be afraid to ask questions. He who asks is a fool for 5 minutes, but he who does not ask remains a fool forever. In Japan, the saying, "Fall down 7 times, get up 8, stresses the value of never giving up. The Japanese saying, "Even monkeys fall from trees," means that everybody makes mistakes.
Don't wait around and do nothing.
"Talk does not cook rice" is a Chinese saying that means don't just talk about something, do it. Another similar Chinese saying is, "Do not fear going forward slowly, fear only to stand still." This emphasizes the importance of taking the first step rather than doing nothing. A saying from Nigeria, "He who waits for a chance may wait for a long time," has a similar message. It means you should act now and not wait around. From Korea, the saying, "Put off for 1 day and 10 days will pass," means that you should not wait until tomorrow to do things.
Work together.
The Japanese saying, "A single arrow is easily broken, but not 10 in a bundle," clearly illustrates the value of group harmony in Japanese society. Indeed, individuals who try to stand out from the group are warned that the nail that sticks up will be hammered down. Japan is not the only culture that values the importance of working together. In Iran, there is a saying, "One finger cannot lift a pebble." A very well-known saying from Africa is, "It takes a village to raise a child."
Be careful what you say.
The Japanese saying, "A statement once let loose cannot be caught by 4 horses," means you should be careful about what you say. The Korean saying, "An empty cart rattles loudly," means that people who talk a lot don't have important things to say. Many sayings warn against gossiping about other people. From Hindi comes, "Great minds discuss ideas, medium minds discuss events, and little minds discuss people." The Korean saying, "If you talk about the tiger will appear," means you should be careful who you talk about. The Spanish saying, "Whoever gossips to you will gossip about you," contains a similar warning. The Russian saying, "Gossip needs no carriage," warns that gossip spreads fast. Taken together, the values expressed in these sayings could be described as the collected wisdom of the world.
Alright, let's check your comprehension about the passage. Match the old saying with its meaning. Number 1. Your head is your house. Furnish it. If we compare our head to our house, we use the furniture to decorate our house, to furnish our house. And how can we decorate our head? What can we put in our head to make it more beautiful? Yes, knowledge. So we have to learn and gain knowledge. So in this saying means value knowledge and learning. Excellent. Let's move to the next item. A single arrow is easily broken, but not 10 in a bundle. If we think of breaking a single arrow, it will be easier than trying to break 10 arrows in a bundle. It is the same as when we work. If we work alone, it will be harder and take more time than when we work together. So, what does this saying mean? Yes, B. We are stronger when we work together. We will be more powerful and easily accomplish our goal. Number 3. Talk does not cook rice. What does it mean? If you want to eat rice but you just talk, you do nothing. So, will you get the rice? No. So what does this saying mean? Yes, B. Don't wait around and do nothing. If you want to eat rice, cook it. If you want something, go for it. Number 4. Put off for 1 day and 10 days will pass. Put off หรือ postpone แปลว่าเลื่อนไป Put off for 1 day and 10 days will pass. Nothing will happen. So, if you want to do something, do it now. So which one is the best meaning of this saying? Yes, B. Don't wait around and do nothing. Number 5. One finger cannot lift a pebble. Pebble คือก้อนหิน Only one finger cannot lift such a heavy thing like that. It is the same as when we work alone. We could not be easily get the difficult task done. So, which one is the best meaning for this saying? Yes, C. Work together. Number 6. Gossip needs no carriage. คำนินทาไม่ต้องมียานพาหนะพามันไป It spreads fast. So, what can we infer from this saying? Yes, A. Be careful what you say. Once we said something, it will spread very fast. Alright, let's review the vocabulary that we have learned. Ignorance, ignorance แปลว่าความไม่รู้หรือความเพิกเฉยค่ะ Stumble, stumble คือการหกล้มสะดุดล้มหรือปัญหาใดๆที่เกิดขึ้นในระหว่างที่เรากำลังทำบางสิ่งบางอย่างให้สำเร็จค่ะ Emphasize, emphasize แปลว่าเน้นให้เห็นถึงความสำคัญค่ะ Bundle, bundle คือการนำสิ่งของหลายๆชิ้นมัดรวมเข้าด้วยกันค่ะ Illustrate, illustrate คือการใช้ภาพหรือแผนภูมิประกอบคำบรรยายในหนังสือค่ะ Gossip, gossip คือการพูดถึงคนอื่นในทางที่ไม่ดีค่ะ ก่อนที่เราจะจบคลิปนี้นะคะครูปูก็มีคำพูดดีๆมาฝากค่ะ Never stop dreaming, never stop believing, never give up, never stop trying, and never stop learning แล้วพบกันใหม่ในอีพิโซดหน้านะคะสำหรับวันนี้ขอลาไปก่อนสวัสดีค่ะ